Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Char Broil Big Easy is probably one of the most versatile and convenient outdoor cooking appliances on the market, allowing you to effortlessly cook a wide variety of foods with minimal oil, achieving that perfect crispy texture without the added calories and mess of traditional deep frying. In this video, we will explore its features, performance, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right oilless fryer for your needs. Number 5. Charbroil Big Easy Turkey Fryer. This innovative fryer lets you cook a delicious turkey with ease. It's designed for even heat and easy cleanup. It easily handles turkeys, chicken, or roasts up to 16 pounds. Get perfectly cooked meals every time. This advanced technology ensures even heat distribution, eliminating flare-ups for consistent results. Say goodbye to unevenly cooked food. With its rotary ignition, it starts quickly and easily with just the turn of a knob. Get cooking faster than ever before. The front access grease tray makes cleanup a breeze. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your meal. It offers a safer frying experience with no hot oil. This means less stress and safer cooking for everyone. It's powered by liquid propane with 16,000 BTUs of cooking power. It's efficient and ready when you are. Your purchase is protected with a 1-year limited warranty. Enjoy peace of mind with your new fryer. What we like. It cooks whole turkeys and roasts up to 16 pounds. The infrared technology ensures even cooking and no flare-ups. If you need a reliable and easy-to-clean oilless fryer for large meals, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy to assemble, easy to use. Injected turkey with butter Creole overnight, rubbed peanut oil with Creole seasoning and 2.5 hours, had an amazing juicy turkey. Turkey came out good. I injected mine and did a rub on the outside. Easy setup. This takes a little longer than oil frying, but it's so easy. Just put the bird in and walk away. When your timer says it should be done, come back and check it with the meat thermometer. No oil to buy, no sitting and watching to keep everything at the right temp, no worrying about the oil boiling over or catching fire. Number 4. Charbroil Big Easy Fryer Kit. This comprehensive kit expands your cooking possibilities. It includes everything you need to fry a turkey and so much more. These hooks and racks make it easy to cook multiple ribs or chicken legs simultaneously. They're perfect for maximizing your cooking space. These hooks are designed for easy removal of ribs, ensuring a smooth and efficient cooking process. No more struggling to get your food out. With these, you can easily create delicious kebabs. The holder keeps them upright and prevents them from sticking together during cooking. This lifter makes removing hot items from the fryer safe and simple. It's a must-have for convenient and safe cooking. Cleanup is a breeze. All the accessories are dishwasher safe for quick and easy cleaning. It allows you to cook a variety of foods at the same time, saving you time and effort. Perfect for large gatherings. What we like. This kit includes everything you need to expand your cooking options. All the accessories are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. If you're looking to maximize your cooking potential and enjoy effortless cleaning, this accessory kit is perfect. What people say. Versatility unmatched, forget just frying turkeys. This kit opens up a universe of possibilities. I've whipped up juicy kebabs, crispy wings, succulent ribs, and even delicate seafood, all with flawless results. Each tool feels thoughtfully designed for specific tasks, making my grill a veritable kitchen. Quality construction built to last, these aren't your flimsy grilling throwaways. The stainless steel is hefty and feels durable, able to handle high heat and messy cooks. I also love the chrome finish, it screams polished and professional, a real upgrade from my old charcoal setup. Convenience is king, from the spacious fry basket to the handy meat hooks, this kit makes grilling a breeze. The skewers are perfect for kebabs, and the drip pan makes cleanup a cinch. Everything feels well positioned and ergonomic, saving me time and frustration during those sizzling summer cookouts. Number 3. Charbroil Big Easy Better Basket. This is the Charbroil Big Easy Better Basket, designed to enhance your cooking experience. It's a significant upgrade from the standard basket, making food preparation easier than ever before. With its collapsible design, loading and unloading food is now quick and simple. Say goodbye to struggling with bulky baskets. It collapses to just 1 inch tall, perfect for convenient storage in cabinets or drawers. You'll save valuable space in your kitchen. It's made from premium 304 stainless steel, ensuring it won't rust. This means lasting durability and performance. Cleaning up is a breeze because it's dishwasher safe. Enjoy more time cooking and less time cleaning. Experience the difference with the Charbroil Big Easy Better Basket. It's the perfect addition to your oilless turkey fryer. What we like. It features a collapsible design for easy loading and unloading. Made from premium stainless steel, it's durable and rust-resistant. If you value convenience and space-saving storage, this upgraded basket is a must-have. What people say. This folds down nice and tight and takes up almost no space at all. Well made and easy to use. The collapsible design not only makes it easier to load the turkey in the basket, it makes cleanup a breeze. Collapse it and put it in the dishwasher. The basket allows for simple removal. The greatest thing about this basket is when the turkey is done, you pull the basket out, set it on the counter, and the basket collapses down, so no fighting trying to get turkey out. Number 2. Charbroil Big Easy Flavor Infuser. This handy stand helps you cook juicy and flavorful poultry. It's designed to work perfectly with your Charbroil Big Easy turkey fryer. Add your favorite liquids, such as beer, wine, or broth, to the tube. It will infuse moisture and flavor into your chicken or turkey as it cooks. The assembled stand holds your poultry upright for easy insertion and removal. The bottom rack adds extra stability to the basket. It's made of durable stainless steel, ensuring rust resistance and long-lasting use. It's a great addition to your outdoor cooking setup. It's compatible with the Charbroil Big Easy turkey fryer and other Charbroil Big Easy models. Enjoy perfectly cooked poultry every time. This simple addition elevates your cooking experience, making it easier to achieve perfectly juicy and flavorful results. Get yours today. What we like. This stand lets you infuse your food with delicious flavors while it cooks. The upright design makes it easy to insert and remove your food. If you're looking to elevate your cooking game with added flavor and convenience, this stand is a great choice. What people say. Works great, very well made. Helps keep chicken or turkey moist. Very easy to use, easy to clean, and can't wait for Thanksgiving to cook another turkey. Used this with my Big Easy. I did injectable seasoning on Turkey Day. It was the best turkey I have ever had. Number 1. Charbroil Big Easy Fryer Cover. This custom-designed cover is the perfect way to protect your Charbroil Big Easy oilless turkey fryer. It's made from heavy-duty material to keep it safe from the elements. The rugged gray PVC material repels water, snow, wind, and debris, ensuring your fryer stays dry and clean. It's built to last. A soft, brushed knit lining on the inside protects the exterior of your fryer from scratches and abrasions. It's gentle yet effective. The upper vent allows for airflow, preventing condensation buildup inside the cover and keeping your fryer dry. No more worries about moisture damage. Simply wipe it clean with a damp cloth, it's that easy to maintain. Keeping your Big Easy in top condition has never been simpler. It's custom designed to fit your Charbroil Big Easy perfectly. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your investment is well protected. What we like. It's custom designed to perfectly fit your oilless fryer. The heavy-duty cover protects it from the elements. If you want to keep your investment safe from the weather, this cover is essential. What people say. Covers the turkey fryer completely covered and haven't had any bugs set up house in or around the fryer. Keeps our easy oven dust free when not in use. Fit was perfect, water resistant, lightweight. It fits perfectly and looks great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.